Hey man, we are a couple of weeks away from the release of the Air Jordan 4 Paris, guys. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, that resale looking a little too steep, which can indicate a couple of things we gotta talk about in today's video, man. Stick around, stay tuned. Let's get right into it. Yo, what is going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for pulling up, tapping in with your boy DeVintage. And first things first, if you guys are new here, you rocking out with the vibes. Right now, we need everybody to do hit that subscribe button and actually hit that notification bell so you miss on any of the content that we do drop and be a little bit more consistent, you guys. Give you some more YouTube shorts. You know, ask you guys a couple different questions, copper drop, fire trash, all that good stuff in the short form content. But of course, we got a couple here and discuss some things like yesterday's video, how we're going to be getting the Air Jordan 14 Ferraris again. And then before that, we talked about the UNC Jordan 1 Reimagined coming back out in 2025, man. So if you're interested in topics like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a huge like. That helps the channel grow and it shows YouTube you guys are ultimately enjoying the content, man. And before we get any further, I had to show you guys what the family over at Crown Minded sent over. I've been telling you guys recently, the last couple of months, man, the only spot I shop now to get my hats, get my crowns, get my fitteds, snapbacks, all that good stuff is Crown Minded. And this one right here came from them as well. As you guys can see right here, man, I'm gonna link them down below so you guys can go check them out. But it did send over a bunch of dope fitteds. We're gonna browse through them right now. Go ahead and check out this Angels cap right here. Loving this one. I already got a couple different stickers. I was thinking about rocking with these, and one being the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1s. And then next they sent over the Houston joint. This Houston Astros is nasty right here, bro. I cannot lie. I love this one. I don't have a lot of Houston hats. And look at the back logo right there, bro. Super, super tough, man. I love this one right here. And then next they sent over this Texas Rangers fitted right here. As you guys can see, man, the front logo is dope. And the side patch, not too crazy, but it is a nice subtle cap to rock and throw in a rotation. And then check out the last two, man. We have this Trojans cap right here. And then we have this Birmingham Barons cap right here, bruh. Palomino, you know what I'm saying? Might have a little Palomino gang, and I don't know. Just a couple things I can think of off the top of my head. Make sure you guys go check them out. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box, brother. Only spot your boy DeVintage go and get all his fitted caps. All right, man. So we still do have the Air Jordan 4 pairs in the sneaker room. You know what I'm saying? I had to check them back out, man. I had to pull them out and show you guys and kind of have a discussion like, yo, are these things a little bit more limited than what we think? I think they might be a little bit more on the, you know, hard to get side due to the resale value. You know how, you know, historically we have seen, you know, Jordan releases and stuff like that a couple of weeks before the drop. Like I said, these are released July the 27th and they are still going for over $300. We haven't seen that in a while. Even when it came to the Brand Reimagined, even when it came to Military Blues, they were already in the $220, $230 price range, but most sizes in the pairs Air Jordan 4s are going for over $300, man. That's going to, you know, make a little more people put a little bit more emphasis on getting them because, one, they can make money from the sneaker, and they probably feel like this one is a little bit more limited than the other prior Air Jordan 4s we have gotten. So I just want to put that out there right there, bruh. If you do want the pairs Air Jordan 4s, this is not the time to lollygag. This is not time to play around. These right here might end up being one of those sleeper, you know, sellout sneakers like the Black Cat 4s. You know, Black Cat 4s now are going for a crazy amount of money on a resale value, but on the release date for the Black Cat 4s, they were literally sitting everywhere. And I know some people watching this today, sitting on your couch, watching on your phone, and like, yo, I definitely remember that as well. So if you guys remember that, man, go ahead and comment it down below in the comment section. But again, bro, that was one of the ones that not a lot of people was like putting emphasis on, not putting a lot of priority towards. Next thing you know, they sold out a couple weeks later, and now they're going for over, you know, $700-800 in most sizes. And I feel like, you know, with these pairs Air Jordan 4s, we could potentially see something similar like that happening. They might sit for a little minute, then next thing you know, it just shoots up a resale value, just flies off the shelves and stuff like that. We might see something crazy like that happen. And then another shoot I'd like to bring up sometime, and I know it's probably sound a little far-fetched now because you probably don't remember, but the UNC Air Jordan 3s. I don't know if y'all remember, man. That kind of released a little bit after Black Cats that same year. And people like, you know, it should be easy to get. Nobody gonna buy no 3s. The next thing you know, they just up and flew off the shelves, and the resale value was just 300 plus after the drop, man. But for these pairs, guys, man, the quality is dope. I'm loving the colorway. I'm loving the meaning behind the sneaker as well. This is probably one of the most stacked, talented Olympics we have seen in decades. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, with this being an all gray sneaker, with this being, you know, having a little bit more meaning to me, I guess I would say, because it's probably like, you know, LeBron's last year. A little soapbox right there. It's probably LeBron's last Olympics that he's gonna be playing in. So, you know, of course your boy DeVintage had to grab these Paris Air Jordan 4s right here, man. But again, hits the calls, nice quality, Durabuck suede. You got some nubuck. You got the nice kind of like scraped off heel tab with the, you know, kind of got some ash effect to it on the Jumpman logo. And this overall, man, like I said, bro, a solid Air Jordan 4. And I ain't seen nobody that said these is like, you know, trash. I ain't seen nobody say they gonna pass on them, but hopefully in today's video, we get a little bit more interaction with you guys down on the comment section, man. Please let me know how you feel about the Paris Air Jordan 4s, man. And just to be 100% honest, the thing I think that will take the cake and make these more of a priority for people is one, like I said, gonna be the resale value, and two, because again, the cause effect that they did throw on these things. When you get like a what do they call it? Like a poor man this or a poor man that, kind of incites more, you know, want for a sneaker. And I definitely think with these Paris things coming out in a couple of weeks, bruh, we might be in for a rude awakening. It's not gonna be like your regular traditional Air Jordan 4 we got previously in 2024. Hey, this one right here might be one of the ones that we regret now putting a little bit more extra emphasis on, man. But I appreciate y'all's support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. Quick little wrap up. Make sure you guys go check out Crown Minded. I'm gonna tag them down below in the description box, man. The best spot to get your fitted caps from. And we wrapped up a little bit of a synopsis, a little bit of discussion over the Air Jordan 4 Parises, man. I love these things. Cannot wait to throw them on feet. If you guys will be snagging them, let me know down below in the comment section. Again, man, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we drop. And please leave a huge like on today's video. It helps the channel grow and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Ultimate said your boy DeVintage. We got you guys in next video, man. Peace.